Today I'm excited to show you this new product that we just installed in this house here in Asheville. First house in North Carolina that had this technology. It's a partnership between Panasonic and Swidget. So big shout out for Panasonic for working with us to help us understand how to put this in our system. A product that we saw at the International Builder Show just the beginning of this year, and excited to be able to execute it. So let's start with the why we are doing this. Every house that we build is super tight. We've got an ERV, Energy Recovery Ventilation in, and we at Red Tree are really focused on the indoor air quality of our homes. That's one of our green building principles, and we just find that the energy efficiency comes as a byproduct of us focusing on indoor air quality. But what we have always thought, it was two things, is we're constantly having the ERV run pretty much all the time to make sure that there's fresh, healthy, clean indoor air, because there's no monitoring system. And second of all, there's the human error of just someone, as we're in the bathroom in here, that just does not turn on their bath fan to remove the humidity, or once they're done, they leave, and then that fan should be running for 10-15 minutes after the shower. So what this product combination is really allowing us to do is be able to have this be monitored, and we don't need to set our ERV to be run continuously. So still have the ERVs that we're putting on the house, but here, this is really, the product itself is right here. Swidget is partnered up with Panasonic. So these Swidgets, there's different modules you would put in a space. So we're here in the bathroom, and as you can see, a lot of technology going on here, but here's the sensors. This particular sensor we have in this bathroom detects humidity and VOCs. Now, this house has got sensors all built throughout it. So why I focus in here, we'll kind of show on this particular one, is that the humidity. So if we get high levels of humidity, this auto detects that and have the ability to turn on automatically the fan that we have up above here to remove that. And we'll continue to detect that until it clears out good indoor air. Let's take you into the kitchen, and then vent hood is not on. Someone's cooking, you're just getting a lot of different particulates into the air. Maybe we have a gas range and we're getting that gas built into it. It would detect that, be able to turn on the vent hood and keep it on as long as it needs to be. So we're not underrunning or overrunning. So the really cool thing with this whole setup is its ability to auto detect. So it's just censoring and then automatically turning things on. So what we know is that we spend 90% of our times indoors, and now more people are working from home, and that's what we're building our houses for, people that are just going to be in here and being active. Now, if we're spending 90% of our time, what we do know is that in indoor air quality of a normal home is 2 to 5 times more contaminant than outdoor air. So what we're really focused on, building healthy homes, allowing people might even have an asthma or allergies, that really we're giving them the best chance to live their best life in their home. And that's why we love being able to partner with people that are companies that are really focused on this as part of their ethos of just really loving on our clients. So we're really excited to put this in our homes. Again, it's from Panasonic, and it's their partnership with the Swidget, which is built into the controls. It was very simple to do. Swidget has an app, and once we got Wi-Fi built into the house, we was able to use the app, kind of show our homeowners how this all sensors, and it gives us the ability to detect our homes and have some data to know how is the indoor air in our houses, and how often is it, and which rooms seem to be a trouble spot. So we're excited to make this a standard in each one of our homes going forward, so now that we can take the next step in indoor air quality of just having detection, monitoring, and then automatically the automation of this being able to be taken care of. So thanks for watching. If you got any questions about this or our experience with installing this, or how we went about doing it, or how we even laid out where we know what sensors, reach out to us in the comments, or reach out to us through our website. Again, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it.